In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the highlight color in Adobe Acrobat. If you often mark up PDFs, setting a consistent highlight color can save time and keep your notes easy to scan. Let's walk through the exact steps and a few helpful tips so you can make this change once and have it stick for future work. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. With your document visible, look for the Tools area. Depending on your version, tools may appear at the top, in a sidebar, or under an All Tools button. Open Tools, then choose Comment. This brings up the commenting toolbar, which includes options like sticky notes, underlines, and the highlight tool. Click the highlight tool to activate it. It usually looks like a marker icon. Next, open the settings for the highlight appearance. The quickest way is to right-click. If you already have highlighted text on the page, right-click that highlight. If not, right-click anywhere on the page while the highlight tool is active. On a Mac, you can control-click if you don't have a right mouse button. From the menu that appears, select Properties. This opens the Properties dialog for the highlight annotation style. Inside Properties, look for the color option. Choose the color you want your highlights to use going forward. Pick a shade that contrasts well with your document text, so it remains readable. For example, a soft yellow or light green often works nicely on black text. If your dialog shows additional settings like opacity or blend, you can leave those as they are if you're only changing color. Before closing the dialog, make sure to check Make Properties Default. This is the key step that tells Acrobat to remember your choice. When this box is checked, every new highlight you create in this and future PDFs will use the color you selected. Finally, close the Properties box. From now on, all future highlights will use your chosen color automatically. If you don't see the change, confirm the highlight tool is selected when you right-click, and that Make Properties Default is checked. Also note that existing highlights you made earlier will keep their original color. The default applies to new highlights you add after this change. That's it. You've set a consistent highlight color in Adobe Acrobat with just a few clicks. Use this to build a color coding system that fits your workflow and enjoy clearer, more organized PDF annotations.